After encountering the Fortnite Cloud Save Error 2025, follow these steps to resolve the issue and regain access to your game saves. Step 1. Check Epic Games server status. Visit the Epic Games server status page to see if there are any ongoing issues with the Fortnite servers. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your gaming device can resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your console or PC completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on. Step 3. Update Fortnite. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches to fix bugs that may be causing the error. Step 4. Verify game files. If you are playing on PC, use the Epic Games Launcher to verify your game files. This process checks for missing or corrupted files and replaces them, which can help fix the error. Step 5. Contact Epic Games Support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Epic Games Support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any steps you've already taken to troubleshoot. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and continue enjoying Fortnite. If the problem continues, don't hesitate to seek help from the community or support teams.